Welcome to Top 1 community. The following is a tutorial on how to spot trade on Binance app. In this example, we'll buy BNB with limit order. Step 1. Log in to the Binance app and go to Trade, then Spot. Select a trading pair such as BNB USDT. How do trading pairs work? Assets can be exchanged for one another as trading pairs are those. A base asset and a quote asset make up a trading pair. The first cryptocurrency in the pair, the one you are buying or selling, is referred to as the base asset. The second cryptocurrency, in which prices are quoted, is referred to as the quote asset. BNB is the base asset and BTC is the quote asset in the BNB and BTC trading pair, for instance. Step 2. Go to Buy tab and select Limit. Step 3. Enter the price at which you want to buy BNB and the order amount. You can also use the percentage bar to the right to specify how much of your balance to use for the order. Select Buy BNB. Step 4. Verify your order in the pop-up window. Step 5. Your limit order will be visible under Open Orders. Note: limit orders are the standard order type. Select Market if you want to trade right now at the current market rate. This is Top 1 Blockchain Community. Welcome to subscribe and join us.